In a world that's constantly buzzing with noise and chaos, we just experienced an absolutely legendary moment, folks, in diplomatic communication. Picture this: the largest gathering of nations all at once. No tweets flying around, no social media drama, no sneaky backroom deals, and definitely no press conferences. Just pure unfiltered connection. And let me tell you, the atmosphere was purely electric. During this monumental occasion, the Pakistani delegation was graced with a recitation of a powerful Qur'anic verse at the funeral procession of the Grand Martyr Ayatollah Khamenei in Tehran.
رب أدخلني مدخل صدق مخرج صدق واجعل لي من لدنك سلطانا نصيرا.
Can you believe that? It was like witnessing history unfold right before our eyes. What a damn spectacle. This was a diplomatic ballet of the highest order, where words and intentions soared beyond the usual chatter. Who knew communication could be so profoundly impactful via Quranic verses? A true Islamic world.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos.